Now I am explaining about the topic of Flex language. Adobe Flex. Introduction to Flex and ActionScript. Working with the ActionScript. Working with the ActionScript and layout and containers and validating input and formatting data. So first introduction to Flex language here. So why the web applications are prolific? What is the RIA solution and what is the RIA containers? What is the difference between the Flex and web applications? These topics we will discuss in today's lesson. So in this chapter we will discuss about the it makes sense that why Flex is the great addition to the personal skill set or organization. So why the web applications are so prolific? So the web so great advantage of this web is the it is a centralized deployment. Multiple applications can be deployed at a time only. So strength of the web is also its weakness. It is a lightweight information distribution system. In this one we post the document to the server and then retrieve them easily. Main advantage is making dynamic pages, web applications. It renders the desktop applications. Here we see desktop applications. So desktop applications are rich and robust. So they can do anything on the OS premises. Next, RIA solutions. What is RIA solution? Data centric society. This one they all want it all. So users want to able to access the data from wherever the computer they are. Users access data from whatever computer they are on. They also want to be able to do such things as dragging and dropping. So users want the rich and graphical experience like sound and video. So in this one, developers of software team also wants to do. So here are some picture they have given, like client to web communication, desktop client and web client. To rescue. So here Ria to rescue. Ria solve this problem by incorporating the best of both worlds. RIAs are the technology that gives business feature, velocity and rapid deployment through the centralized internet deployment model. So RIA is the best for the both worlds. So next, what is Flex by Adobe? First of all, what is Flex? So with Flex 3, Adobe make the framework for the open source framework. This Flex software development kit. So Flex has the following things to go it, like Flash Player, which has a 98% penetration level, the huge Flash community and its knowledge, tight integration with the other Adobe products. Integration is there, like Photoshop, Fireworks, all these things. Integration will be occurred. Flex, and to server, like Cold Fusion, media streaming, all these things. Designer side and developer side. Integration will be there. And 4-year start is there, and open source framework, this one. On downside, Flex printing abilities are satisfactory. A lot of room improvement is there for improvement. Next one is Silverlight from the Microsoft. So Silverlight does not yet have the spectrum of supporting products. For this one, Microsoft has an Expression Studio. Next one is JavaFX by Sun Microsystems. It is JavaFX similar to the Flex and Silverlight. Main advantage is size is very big for Java development. So what is the difference between the Flex and web applications? Flex is nothing but RIAs. Like Flex is also called as a RIAs versus web applications. So these two terms are concerned about the market in their wares. But is for no official definitions. So the web applications, rich web applications RWA is defined as HTML based web applications. It uses advanced JavaScript and Ajax technique it uses. So web applications are based on the documents. So what we see the terminology of what is web and web applications. Here we use the web pages, bookmarks and home pages, search engines and index pages. All these terms we use. Here next we see what is the role of browsers as a transfer station and document renderers. Next, at last we use the dynamic HTML in web applications. So Ajax is used HTML and JavaScript. So with Flex you can extend the any existing component. For example, we use HTML and Flex provides the checkboxes. So in Flex you make the 3-state combo box like Microsoft Excel and HTML option. Extended components is not available. So next, becoming acquainted with the Flex. Flex is a programmatic way. We use the code here to make Flex leverage as the Flash platform. It is mainly used for the cool animation portions of the web pages, for marketing perspective, marketing experiences, for promotional sites also. So Flex is interacting with the web applications using JavaScript. So next topic is taking advantage of Adobe Flash Player. The main Flex execution can be done by Flash Player. Flex execution can be done by Flash Player. So it is a powerful, fast, lightweight platform agonist runtime engine based on the object-oriented language called the ActionScript. So this runtime environment based upon the ActionScript language. This is also object-oriented language. So in the smartphones and PDS we use this one. For processing large amount of data as a 2D graphics rendering abilities, multi-threaded programming, for streaming videos and images, for rich desktop-like experience, allows the developer to innovative, creative, unique approaches for the end user. So why do not use in Flash Player? So we see the reason. We see the environment, animation environment of timelining, layers, frames, all these things. So Flash has always been the capable of making a Flex and imaging, coding, all these things. Flex and JavaScript can play together. So JavaScript we use with the HTML for the web apps. Also we can use the Flex language with the ActionScript language. Flex with the ActionScript language. These two are like similar. Here the like JavaScript, ActionScript, and like HTML, Flex framework. So ActionScript and JavaScript, this based on the ECMA script standards. So the Flex ActionScript was the first production language that adapt the current ECMA Script 4 standard. So Flex can be allows you to operate in these technologies. Flex has an external API. So with the Ajax Flex Ajax bridge we can use. We see one figure for this one. Business Intelligent Reporting Protocol. This is a hybrid application of web and Flex technologies working. Next one is Flex ecosystem. The Flex ecosystem we use a Flash player, Air, Air and Ajax and Flex, all these things. In this figure we show the relation between the Flex and its entire graphics and landscape. So in the web deployment we use the designers and development bouncing is there. So as the applications, the here the Photoshop can be designed. Developers set up the images and generate the CSS. In the Flex ecosystem we use the designers export the skins and developers can import the without the tightly coupling application. So here Air is a formerly known as the Apollo Adobe Integration Runtime. This one is called as. This is a one step further for transforming your Flex RIAs into what we call rich desktop applications. So next, how the Flex works. Here we use the Flex builder to compile the application and then deploy it to the server. Flex builder, yes. So this is Eclipse based IDE. Macromedia XML, Magic XML, ActionScript language we use here. Here we see one example of application. Here we see some development life cycle is there. Here use a Flex Builder or SDK for the development environment of ActionScript code. ActionScript for this ActionScript code we use the Flex Builder to compile the code. We use the browser to launch this file and invoke the Flash Player plugin. So Flex application is typically interact with the server tier to exchange the data. Here we see some application, some servers, Cold Fusion PHP. We see some events. Flex like JavaScript use the events as the triggers and handlers. Event triggers we use, event handlers we use. What is event trigger and event handler? Event trigger first. Trigger causes the event to move the cursor or the button, loading the application, and data come from the web service. And event handler, so handler is respond to the event invoking the function and changes displayed by the characteristics. So what's new in Flex 3? Yes. So first Flex 1, Flex 2, Flex 3 we see. Here Flex technology is been evolving as a rapid pace. This product has started as a pure server-side technology, modeling conventions of the server-based web apps technologies, app technology. And Flex 2, it has the most overhaul of language. It has a two portions. Client-side portion consists of the application framework, Flex application. Server-side portion, data bridge. Next Flex 3 comes to the lot of new features like profiler, refactoring, and wizards, and designed to develop flow. charting enhancement, persistent framework cache, and data grid component. Next we start the flex getting started chapter. In this one we use the different flex tools and creating flex application, understanding MXML works, action script of pictures. So this one we will discuss in the next class. Here we use the setting up compiling environment and flex and setting up the editing environment, compiling and editing of medias, and flex builder we use. What are different products? Flex builder, entering code, object oriented language, and pursuing API. All these things we use for using API, and events handled by the action script. What are the events are handled? You see the action script language like do while condition, all this done in the action script language. All the different formats we use of action script, how they use, what are different arrays and indexed arrays, all these things. Next class. Subscribe to my channel Technology Education by PVK and my remaining channels, Gamer channel, all these things.